Hello guys, here's a quick setup tutorial for State Farm Drive Safe and Save. Step 1. Download the State Farm app. Search for the State Farm app in your phone's app store. Log in using your State Farm user ID or your driver's license information. Step 2. Enroll in Drive Safe and Save. Inside the app, head to the Drive Safe and Save section. Follow the instructions to enroll your vehicle or vehicles. Step 3. Receive and pair your Bluetooth beacon. Once you're enrolled, State Farm will mail you a Bluetooth beacon. When it arrives, bring it to your car for setup. Step 4. Complete the setup. Open the State Farm app and go to the Drive Safe and Save section. Tap Complete Setup for your vehicle. Press and hold the button on the beacon for about 8 seconds until it lights up. The app will find the beacon. Select the correct beacon ID shown. Attach the beacon behind your rear view mirror using the provided adhesive. Step 5. Enter odometer reading if needed. In certain states, you'll need to enter your current odometer reading in the app to finish the setup. Step 6. Enable permissions. Keep Bluetooth, location services, and all required permissions turned on so your trips can be tracked automatically. And an optional Step 7. Enable accident assistance. In the Drive Safe and Save section, you can activate accident assistance to get support if an accident is detected. Tips to maximize your discount. Drive carefully. Avoid sudden braking, speeding, and sharp acceleration. Keep the app running and permissions enabled during every trip. Check your trip feedback and driving summaries in the app to improve your habits and boost safety. And that would be all for today's quick tutorial. I'll see you on the next one.